Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and I'm back with another video discussing audience segmentation. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. So what is audience segmentation? It's breaking up your main target audience into groups based on similar insights to deliver a personalized experience that will build stronger relationships with customers and results in increased conversion and engagement. Like your target audience, segments are based on a combination of internal and external insights like demographics and psychographics. Let's go a little bit deeper into demographics, psychographics, and internal insights so you can get a better understanding. Demographic information includes things like gender, ethnicity, income, level of education, geographic location, or language. Leveraging demographic data can often be the easiest and most common way to segment your audience, especially for brand awareness campaigns. Psychographic information includes things like attitudes, beliefs, personality types, activities, and values. And internal insights will include the previous demographic and psychographic insights, but will also include buyer journey information and engagement metrics from your existing customers. With segmentation, it's really important to keep scope in mind. Only segment by the data insights you actually have and can execute on. As marketers, we always want more and more data, but really stay focused on what you have and what can really make a difference when it comes to delivering outcomes for your campaign or projects. Keep the data sets and segments simple, actionable, and results-oriented. As you finalize your audience segments, walk yourself through your campaign or project. Ask yourself the following. How are these segments different? How will their experience in this campaign differ from other segments and why? Will this experience result in a better outcome and higher ROI? Is the effort worth it for the outcome I expect? Does my team have bandwidth to execute on these segments, and can the tool support them? If the answers to these questions are yes, then map out the segments. If you answer no, regroup on your segmentation strategy and simplify it. If you're mapping out segments for a campaign or project you're working on, please feel free to comment with any questions you may have. I go a lot more in depth into segmentation strategy and campaign planning in my Udemy course on integrated marketing. So if you'd like to enroll, I'll be adding a coupon in the description section of this video, as well as posting a video with the coupon code. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.